and we'll take one more ride. Doors.
Hi guys, it's Jake from Escalators Travel Letters Live UK, and in this video today I'm going to show you how to use Scan as your shop at Tesco. It could be at any Tesco places, extra or normal Tesco. And in order to use Tesco Scan as your shop, you will need to have a club card. So basically you'll need newer club cards, or if you basically used Tesco a long time ago, you can use that. It works, no worries. But I'm going to be using this one. It also works if you can, but even better to do it by the key or with a contactless card. Just cut that out. Yeah, you could use Tesco Club Card as well. Tesco Club Card contactless. Oh. See, or the old one. The old one definitely still works. Okay, so you'll need those. So I'm going to show you how to do it. By the way, you will still get club card prices if you're using Tesco Club Card, so you'll be fine. You don't need to worry about wasting all of your money. You've got club card prices, so it gives you saving, get points as well. You'll be also asked to pick up a handset as well. So so we'll just go grab a trolley and we'll just get started. So all you need to do is just scan your club card, then pick up the handset, and you're good to go. Just use the customer scale area if you need to weight stuff. So there, it's bananas loose, so let's go to that one, and we'll just hit print label and it should print here. There we go. Just stick it in there, then simply scan it in. And basically, you see this back button there, by the way. To remove it, you hit that, scan the item that you need to remove and hit yes, and then you're good to go. Okay, so it's so easy. I was basically say, after stop filming. Yeah, so basically pick up the handset and then you're good to go as well. So yeah, just to confirm again, you just scan your club card, pick up a handset, and then you're good to go. Before I show you the end of the video, I just want to mention that if you want to pay at the Tesco Scan as your shop payment area, unfortunately, the payment will be card only. That means if you want to pay by cash, unfortunately, you're going to have to go to the self-checkout that has cash before you've got an option at the Scan as your shop payment area to pick cash and card. Well, now, you can only pay by cash at the self-checkout area that has cash. And then you just simply scan the barcode at the top of the checkout and then follow the on-screen instructions. Then hit pay now, then click on cash, and then you can insert your cash. And of course, you can still pay by card as always as well. Not only that, you might also get random service check. So they do sometimes give you random service check as a standard part of the process. So the colleague will come to help you, and then they will scan some of your items, and then basically sometimes they might scan them for all of your items, and they majorly came in to scan all of your shopping. But don't worry, because there'll be always someone there to help you. Luckily, I didn't get a random service check, so I'm so lucky to get it all proved straight away, which is very good news for me. I'm so lucky, aren't I? Yeah, anyway, enough of a waffle. Let's get to the end of the video. When you finish your trip, go to the designated Scan as your shop payment area, then scan the barcode on the top of the checkout to transfer all of your shopping. And then we can pay. Easy. So, let's do this, and then
please tap or insert your payment card.
Okay, and then pay this, and then you're good to go.
Payment accepted. Thanks for shopping at Tesco.
And that's easy. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. My name is Jake, and I'll catch you in the next one. Back down 0. And get there. Door close button works. I like that.